Have you ever faced the challenge of creating a video but found yourself without the right footage? Let me share with you a fantastic feature we have that makes this problem a thing of the past. At Filma, we've built a platform where an endless library of visuals is readily available for your creative projects. No need to worry about shooting footage yourself. It's a feature I personally find incredibly useful, especially when I need to create something quickly and efficiently. In my experience, finding the perfect visuals can be a real challenge. That's why I love how Filma integrates with content providers like Pixabay and Pexels. I often go to the provider's drawer, select Pixabay, and easily find stunning images and videos. The same goes for Pexels. It's just as simple and effective. One of my favorite features is the ability to add vibrant images from Unsplash and engaging videos from Giphy, complete with audio. These tools add a dynamic layer to any video. The Giphy videos are particularly great for adding stickers or reactions, bringing a unique flavor to the narrative. And here's a tip I always give. Don't overlook the power of adding GIFs from Giphy, especially in the stickers section. They maintain their transparency and add a fun element to your videos when placed on an overlay track. This is a feature I use all the time to spice up my projects. Finally, a key aspect of any great video is the audio. At Filma, you can also access a wide range of royalty-free sound effects and music from Pixabay. Just like with videos and images, these audio files can be seamlessly integrated into your timeline. This feature has made my video creation process not only more enjoyable, but also incredibly efficient. So there you have it. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, these tools are here to enhance your creative process. Start exploring the endless possibilities with Filma. See you on next video.